Welcome to our comparison of the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 and 7000. Today, we'll dive into the features of these two popular grooming kits, examining their specifications, pros and cons, and what makes each unique. Whether you're looking for a comprehensive grooming solution for your beard, body, or face, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 comes with 21 attachments, including various trimmers and guards for all your grooming needs. In contrast, the 7000 series offers 23 attachments, providing even more versatility for your grooming routine. This slight edge in the number of attachments makes the 7000 a more comprehensive option for users who want a wide range of tools at their disposal. When it comes to blade quality, the 9000 series features stainless steel blades that are self-sharpening, ensuring a long-lasting cutting performance. On the other hand, the 7000 series is equipped with titanium-coated blades, which are known for their durability and sharpness. This difference in blade material can affect the overall grooming experience, with titanium offering a slight advantage in terms of longevity and precision. Another critical factor to consider is water resistance. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 is not waterproof, meaning it should be kept away from water during use. Conversely, the 7000 series is fully waterproof, allowing for easy cleaning and use in wet environments. This feature can significantly enhance the convenience and usability of the grooming kit, especially for those who prefer to groom in the shower. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 9000 and 7000 offer excellent grooming solutions with their unique features. The 9000 provides a premium feel and a comprehensive set of attachments, while the 7000 stands out with its waterproof design and titanium blades. Your choice will depend on your specific grooming needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.